Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix repeated attempts error SS06 in Snapchat. Snapchat, like any digital app, can encounter errors and issues, one of which includes being logged out of your account. This can be incredibly frustrating as it stops you from engaging with the app's various features. You may encounter the Snapchat code SS06 when attempting to log in to create a new account. The message, due to repeated attempts or other suspicious activity, your access to Snapchat is temporarily disabled. Port code SS06 may display on your screen when Snapchat identifies unusual activity coming from your account. If you run into this issue upon trying to log in, don't worry. In this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this problem. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is you should wait for some time. The next step is switch to another network. If suspicious network activity has triggered the error, account might have been disabled for security concern. In such cases, switching to another network often solves the problem. For this, go to settings and then tap on Wi-Fi. Next, tap on Wi-Fi toggle button to turn it off and then toggle on cellular data and you are done. And the next step is restart your device. A device restart can resolve minor software glitches. For this, pressing quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button. Next, slide to power off, then wait for some time and then press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen. And you are done. And the next step is offload Snapchat app. Cache data can become corrupted and affect app performance. Clearing the cache may help with errors like SS06. Since iPhones do not have a direct way to clear cache, offloading the app can be helpful. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on iPhone storage. Next, scroll down and find the Snapchat app, tap on it. From here you can see the option of offload app. Tap on it and offload the app. And you are done. And the next step is update the Snapchat app. Using the latest version of Snapchat is crucial to avoid errors. For this, access the App Store and then tap on your profile icon. Scroll down to upcoming automatic updates and look for Snapchat. The update option is available for Snapchat, then tap on it and download the latest version of Snapchat and you are done. And the next step is uninstall and reinstall the Snapchat app. Uninstalling and then reinstalling Snapchat can serve as a fresh start for the app. For this, press and hold the Snapchat app until a selection menu shows up and then tap on remove app. Next, tap on delete app and then tap on delete again to confirm and then download it again from App Store and you are done. And the next step is log in your account using Snapchat web. Lastly, the web version of Snapchat may offer a workaround. If you can access your account and utilize all features on the web, it's likely that SS06 error is isolated to the mobile app and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of repeated attempts error SS06 in Snapchat. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.